What's up guys? Today I'll show you how to install OLS Panel with domain plus SSL on our Ubuntu VPS. OLS Panel is a free cPanel alternative and it has OpenLiteSpeed as its web server. So you want to host web applications that need a web server, you might want to install OLS Panel, and OLS Panel is another alternative to CyberPanel. So let's get started. So you just need to have a VPS and of course a domain name so that we can access our OLS Panel securely. So I'll be using Dart node. We will be using a Ryzen cloud because it is fast. And I'll just quickly log into my Dart node. And if you don't know how to set up a Dart node VPS, there is a tutorial on the description down below so that you can follow. So I'll just quickly log in. So now I am here on my Dart node control panel and I have chosen Ubuntu 24.04 as my operating system. So next we will connect to our server using a free SSH client called Bitwise. So just download and install Bitwise, and beside host, put your IPv4, use port 22, and your username is root, and just click login. Accept and save, and we will copy our root password. So just quickly copy this one. And click OK. Click New Terminal Console. And we will update our system. Okay, we have updated our system, and now we will install OLS Panel. And okay, we'll copy this command and paste it here, and we'll hit enter, and we'll wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. Okay, so now we have successfully installed OLS Panel, and we can access it here with our admin URL. Let's open a new tab. Okay, just click Advanced, click Proceed, and we will log in using this password and username admin. Okay, so welcome to your OLS Panel dashboard. So in order to securely access our OLS Panel with an SSL, we need to add a user first. So we will add a user and we'll put our domain here. So that will be webshanks.store, and we'll choose 8.5. Let's say Wayne Shanks, and our username is webshanks, and it will be webshanks121@gmail.com, and we will generate the password. And before you click add user, we will add an A record for our domain and our subdomain panel. So let's go to our domain register, and I have already added my domain and the subdomain. So just click add record, choose type, and put at for root and panel for domain, and paste your IPv4 here. So I have already added these two, and we will proceed to add the user. So we will add user and it will issue an SSL for our domain. So just click add user. Okay, we'll wait for the SSL to be installed. Okay, great. So now we will go to domains, click domains, and we will add a domain. So we will select a user and we will enter our panel domain or the subdomain that will be panel.webchunks.store. So that will be panel.webchunks.store and I'll choose 8.5 and I'll just click add domain. And we'll wait for the installation of SSL to finish. Okay, great. So now we have added the subdomain. So let's go to dashboard, then scroll down and you can see here under security panel, you can see here panel SSL. So just click this one and we will select the domain for our panel SSL. So just click save. Okay, this will redirect to our panel domain. So now, as you can see, we have securely accessed our OLS panel and we will log in using the same credential. So just paste the password here and click sign in. And now we have successfully installed OLS panel on Ubuntu VPS on Dart node and we can now access our panel securely. So this is how to install OLS panel with domain and SSL. So if you want to host your WordPress website, you can start and watch out for my tutorial about that as well as its email server. So that's it. I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.